to what we have today. EKELE NDI IGBO. What we have today is greetings, Igbo greetings. I told you guys that's what we'll be learning today, right?
Yes.
EKELE NDI IGBO. Can I hear you say it?
EKELE IGBO.
EKELE NDI IGBO.
EKELE NDI IGBO.
Everyone together. Can we say it together? EKELE.
EKELE.
Let's take it one after the other. Okay. EKELE.
EKELE NDI IGBO.
Good. Someone is not talking.
EKELE NDI IGBO. EKELE.
EKELE NDI IGBO, which simply means Igbo greetings. Which means what?
Igbo greetings.
Which means what?
Igbo greetings.
Good.
Igbo greetings.
Now, when you wake up in the morning, when you wake up in the morning, what do you say to mom and dad? In English now, what do you say to mom and dad when you wake up in the morning?
Good morning.
Good morning. Beautiful. You say good morning, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Now, let's see how we can say these greetings.
Good morning.
Okay. Let's see how we can say these greetings in Igbo. Now, what about in the afternoon? How do you greet in the afternoon?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Beautiful. Now, let's say you're back from school and it's evening. How do you greet?
Good evening.
Good evening. Lovely. Now, let's say you're done for the day and you're tired and you want to go to bed. How do you greet?
Good night.
Good night. Very good. Now, today, we are going to look at all these things we've listed now, how to say them in Igbo language. Are we ready?
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Now, pay proper attention. Gente. Listen. Are we listening?
Yes.
Somebody said Somebody said yes. Okay. Now, in the morning, ekele ụtụtụ, morning greetings. We have ways of greeting in Igbo language. One of them, I told us yesterday, can be used at any time, except when you want to sleep. What's that one? Yes. You can do it. We talked about it yesterday. And we've been using it to introduce ourselves. What's that one?
Ndewo.
Very good. Beautiful. Okay, now, that one can be used at any time except when you want to go to bed. Good. Now, in the morning when you wake up, in Igbo we say ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good. We say ụtụtụ ọma. Can we say it together? Ụtụtụ ọma. Again. Ụtụtụ ọma. Again. Ụtụtụ ọma. Which means what? What does it mean?
Good morning.
Good morning. Lovely. Now, apart from ụtụtụ ọma, we have two other ways we can greet. You can wake up and you say to someone, Itela. Itela. Yes, it's very short, right?